Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's class. Let us start our day with a wonderful thought. A man is the product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. Children, with this wonderful thought, today we are going to start with a new lesson, lesson number 14, algebraic formulae, expansion of squares. Children, in this lesson, you are going to learn algebraic formulas on the basis of which you will solve so many examples. So, children, get ready with your textbook and notebook and take out page number 91. Here, let's recall. Let us see how to find the area of shaded portion from this figure using algebraic expressions. For that, a rectangle ABCD is shown in the figure alongside. Here you will see this is the rectangle ABCD. Its length is y units, whereas its breadth is 2x units. A square of side x unit is cut from here. We can use operations on algebraic expressions to find the area of the shaded part. That only I said how to find the area of the shaded part, that we are going to learn here by using algebraic expressions. Now let us write the area of rectangle ABCD as area bracket rectangle ABCD bracket completed. That is, we are going to write area of this quadrilateral or rectangle ABCD in short like this. So here there are two ways of finding the area of shaded portion. In the first, if you will find the area of rectangle ABCD, and if you subtract the area of this square MNCP, then you will get the area of shaded part. In first way, first we will find the area of rectangle ABCD and we will subtract the area of this square MNCP, we will get the area of shaded portion. Whereas in second case, we can find the area of shaded portion by adding the area of rectangle ASPD and area of square SBNM. If you add the area of rectangle ASPD and area of square SBNM, you will get the area of shaded portion. So children, when you use the first method, in that area of rectangle ABCD, here what is the length? The length is y units, whereas the breadth is 2x units. Therefore, the area of rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth, that is 2x multiplied by y is 2xy. Whereas area of the square MNCP, here you will see this MNCP is a square having side x units. Therefore, area of the square having side x units will be x square. So, the area of square MNCP is x square. So, we will subtract x square from 2xy to get the area of shaded part. Now, in second case, we will see the area of rectangle ASPD. Now, here what is the length of ASPD? Here, this complete length is y units, from which this x is reduced or cut off. Therefore, the length of DP will be y minus x and the breadth is 2x. Therefore, area of rectangle ASPD will be y minus x multiplied by 2x. That is the area of rectangle ASPD plus area of square SBNM. Now, what is the area of square SBNM? Here it is, side is of x units, therefore the area is x square. So, we will add the area of rectangle ASPD and area of the square SBNM. We will get the area of shaded part. Now, let us solve it. Y minus x into 2x plus x square. Now, here there is the multiplication of binomial with the monomial. That is, you will first multiply y with 2x, then minus x with 2x. So, y into 2x is 2xy, minus x into 2x is minus 2x square. This plus x square will remain as it is. Now, here these two terms are like terms. So, we will subtract minus 2x square plus x square. Here we will get the answer minus x square. Therefore, the area of shaded part is 2xy minus x square, which is same as we got in the previous case. It means if you find the area of shaded portion by any one of the method, you will get the same expression for it. Now let us see the expanded form of the square of a binomial. For that we will see what is expansion or expanded form. The product of algebraic expressions is called as expansion or expanded form. So here product of algebraic expressions. Here if you consider x plus y as one of the expression, and here it is taken square. Here square it means multiplying x plus y with x plus y. The product of algebraic expressions is called as expanded form. So here when you take the square of the binomial, you will get the expanded form like this. So according to the heading given over here, the expanded form of the square of a binomial. This is square of the binomial and this is the expanded form of the square of the binomial. So let us see how to get it. Now in the figure alongside, the side of square PQ is x plus y. Here this is the square PQRS. Here in this square PQRS, the side is x plus y. If you look at all the four sides, here all the sides are of same length and the length is x plus y. Therefore, the area of this figure is x plus y whole square. Here area of square is side square, that is x plus y whole square. Now if you look at this diagram, the square PQRS is divided into four rectangles. First, second, third and fourth. Now here if you add the areas of all the four rectangles, you will get the area of the square PQRS. So area of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to area of rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3 and rectangle 4. It is already written over here. So what is the area of quadrilateral PQRS? It is x plus y whole square. So if you will see the first part here, the side is x, that is it is a square having side x. And therefore area of part 1 will be x square, that is area of rectangle 1 is x square. Now area of rectangle 2. Here it is a rectangle having side length x and breadth y. Therefore area of part 2 will be x into y, that is xy. Similarly, the area of part 3 is also xy, as it is a rectangle having length x and breadth y. Therefore the area of rectangle 3 is also xy. Now if you look at the part 4, it is a square having side y. Therefore area of that part is y square. So now if you look at this step, here you are getting the like terms, xy plus xy, that is 2xy. So you will get x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So what is done here? This is the expanded form of the square of the binomial. Now here if you multiply, here we have seen the geometrical proof of this given identity or this formula. If we see it by multiplying, that is x plus y whole square is equal to x plus y into x plus y. Let us see what expansion you get here. Here this is the multiplication of binomial with binomial. That is first term of the first binomial multiplied with the second binomial plus second term of first binomial multiplied with the second binomial. That is x into x plus y plus y into x plus y. Now x into x is x square, x into y is xy, y into x is yx plus y into y is y square. Now here yx and xy are like terms, so we will write it as 2xy. xy plus xy is 2xy. Therefore you will get the formula as x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now the expression obtained by squaring the binomial x plus y is equal to the expression obtained by finding the area of the square. Therefore x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square is the formula for the expansion of square of the binomial. So here this is the formula for finding the square of the binomial. So children, you have to keep this formula in mind and we will solve so many examples using this formula.